Hi, it's Peter here on Doxie in Rosslyn Bay in the series of Peter and Doxie sailing from New South Wales to Queensland. And yeah, forecast was for rain. So far, not so much. I don't think we've seen rain here for quite a while. It's been sunny and warm for weeks, so not complaining at all. So yeah, today is day 160, and good part about that is it's got nothing to do with it actually. It's the last coat of varnish on the cockpit duckboards, which I've been doing for the last 5 days. So if you've been following along, real exciting stuff. So anyway, glad to have varnishing behind me for a while. Yeah, so as I said, forecast is for possibly a little bit of rain, middle of the day. Could happen, who knows. By that stage, my varnishing should be pretty well touch dry, I would have thought. So glad I got on top of that. I think it's time to go and treat myself to a coffee and relax for a bit. Right, back on the boat. And yep, here we have the production line. And yeah, last time we took varnish on that for a little while. A little bit tacky still, so it's drying nicely, and I'm trying to keep it out of the sun so it doesn't try and dry too quickly. See all manner of watercraft in the marina. It's quite novel, bit of everything. Sailing, outboard motor, pedal power. No doubt they're probably going out fishing. Why not? Well, just had lunch and a great catch up with one of our followers here on YouTube for the second time, which is great. Yeah, it was nice having a chat and enjoyed that. So yeah, it was nice connecting with people. So I'm off soon to another friend's place. I believe there's going to be a swim in the pool, yay, it's warm. And then trivia night tonight, so let's see if we win again. We have done every time so far, that I know of anyway. So yeah, that'll be a bit of fun. Always a nice drive along the coast down to Emu Park. Definitely ready for this. And the cute little sunbirds taking up residence here. And it's down to the Piney for trivia night. We came second. So that was the end of Wednesday. Yeah, it was a good day. Did a bit of everything. Going out to trivia night's always a bit of fun. So yeah, anyway. A good day for Wednesday. This is Dawn Raider, out.